Today, I have a special upload for you all. I'm mani swapping with my friend Cody's Beauty Studio, and I'm going to try recreating 5 of her designs. Let's jump right into it. Hey guys, it's Claris. Welcome back to my channel. Let's hop onto my computer and I can show you the 5 designs I picked out to recreate. I'll have Cody's YouTube channel and Instagram page linked below, so go give her a follow. She does some really fun nail art. But before I show you the designs I picked out, I'm just going to apply my base coat first. And if you saw my testing 5-minute crafts video, I learned about this hack of using glue as a peel-off base coat, and I'm going to try that again because it was just kind of so fun. So this is the first design. I think this one will be best on my thumb because it's kind of that shape, but I think this penguin is so cute. I can't wait to see how my recreation of this one will come out. If you're curious, this is what the nails look like after the glue has dried on them. So for this little guy, I'm going to start off with the lighter color, the white. There we are. I'm going to start by kind of forming that V shape, and then I'm just going to go around and fill in this area with black. Now I have this orange from OPI, and I'm going to try to form some feet, like that. Alright, now let's do those black circles. So this is the next design. It's this really cute hollow French tips with the pink dots. I think this is very creative, so I'm going to try this one out next. So I have here my silver hollow, and I'm just going to create a simple French tip with the hollow. Now for those dots, I have this light pink acrylic paint, and I'm just going to use my toothpick and make some round dots right at the line of that silver hollow. Well, this is a very cute and simple design. I think my recreation looks quite similar to hers, the main difference being our nail shape. And this is the third design, so it's this really neat watermelon gradient. I think that's a great idea. And she also did have some watermelon seeds on that one as well. So yeah, let me try this one out. So for this gradient, I'm also going to start off with a white base to help the colors really pop. Alright, now let's make those watermelon seeds. There, so cute. I think that really helps to make it look like a watermelon. And this is the next design. It's a gradient and it's like a night sky. So there's trees and there's a moon and that might be snow. Is that snow? I think this one is so neat. I'm going to try this one out now. For this gradient, I'm also going to use a white base. Alright, so I'm going to slap on some blue and some black. So we're going to sponge it on with the black at the cuticle. Now to make those trees, the landscape there, I'm just going to use some black acrylic paint and a small brush. Alright, let's make a tree. Hey, that doesn't look that bad, huh? Hey, do you think we should make that moon? I think we should. There, not too shabby. Hey guys, I have a question for you. If you've thought about it yet, what is your favorite nail polish color for fall? I think mine might either be Hazy Days, a beautiful dark purple by Essie, or Cosmic Fate, this orange coppery hollow. But comment below your fall favorites. And this is the 5th design. It's a really neat blue French tip. And wow, there's a lot going on here. So it has like a rhinestone there and some dots. And there's like a black and white stripes at the corner too. This is so neat. What is this nail? Is that a tree? It's something kind of abstract. I love these blue hollows. I swatched them in a video right up here. I swatched the whole collection of 6 colors. I'm just going to fill in the tip here with the hollow blue. You know, that really looks cute just by itself, you know? Alright, now let's decorate this French tip. So it looks like we have a row of dots. Now for that black and white stripe at the corner, I'm going to use a black and white nail polish. You know, this is such a curious design. I wonder if she got this inspired from something. Like, is this inspired from something? I don't know. Anyhow, this is really neat. Alright everyone, it's time for top coat and review. I really like this penguin guy, but I wish I'd done a better job on the eyes. I'm just not totally happy with them. Cody did a really great job making those circles look so perfect. It's like, wow, I have a hard time making circles, especially when I have to make a circle inside of a circle. But I still think this one turned out okay. Next up is the hollow gradient French tip with the pink dots on it. I really like this one. It's so fun and like party-like. And it really wasn't that hard. And this watermelon nail was so fun. I like the idea that it's a gradient. It's so creative. I really like it. Next up is this starry night, or maybe it's snowy. I'm still debating whether those are stars or snow. But this one was really fun to make. I love doing the gradient and then decorating it with the trees. And then we have this really neat French tip that has a lot of cool things in it, very abstract and very creative. So yeah, I like how this one turned out as well. Well, this was so much fun, but maybe some of you aren't into all the colors and polish of nail art. Maybe you're looking for something a little more natural. Well, hit the notification bell because in my next video, I'm going to show you how to do a natural nail manicure with no polish required. Also, if you want some more nail art inspiration, I have a huge playlist of nail art tutorials in the description, so feel free to go and check that out. Follow me on Instagram at thepolishedqueen15 for almost daily posts featuring nail art I do in between videos and swatches. So this is If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't already, share this video with your fellow nail artists, and comment below which of these designs is your favorite. I really like the night sky one and the watermelon gradient. I look forward to seeing your comments and giving responses as well. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a magical day.